So today we're unboxing the cheapest Android phone you can find in the market, the Nokia C12. The Nokia C12 was released in 2023 and it's safe to say that this phone is 2 years old. So let's unbox. And this is just a small tip that seals it up. At the back here, it says that it has an 8 megapixel camera at the back, 5 megapixel in front, and it runs Android 12. In here, we have some papers, manuals. There's no nylon around it, just this. So this is basically the packaging, and that leaves us with a very beautiful design. It has a plastic back which is most likely scratch resistant. It's not fully water resistant, but it's splash resistant, so I will not advise you to put it in water. So let's turn it on. Seems like it's dead, so let's check while I get somebody to help me charge it. Let's see what else is in the box. Is there an extension I can stretch here? It comes with a case. Ooh. I like all these cheap Android phones that always come with cases. You never see the high-end smartphones coming with cases. I don't know why. Beautiful. So let's remove that. And I can see that the back can open, so let's check that also. Maybe it has a removable battery. You know how those Nokias now, they also have removable batteries. It has a removable battery. So that means the battery should be inside somewhere. Very interesting. No wonder it didn't come on. Okay, let's keep unboxing. When last did I see a phone with earphone jack? With earphones rather. When last did I see a phone come with earphones? This is fantastic. 3.5mm jack. In case for those of you that have just born this year, this is a 3.5mm jack. And it goes in here. Nice. Let's keep unboxing. Ooh, this is very nostalgic. Who remembers the type of chargers? Nice. And it's a 5 volts 1 amp adapter, so it's not really great. It's just now this is an unboxing experience. This is this is conflicting information. Here the root 3000 milliamp battery, and here is 2950 milliamp. Can you see? I don't know why human beings are like this. Like I don't even understand. Are they now approximating batteries? Well, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Those of you that are born before the 2000s, you know this experience. Boom. Nice. So that means we didn't need to plug anything. So let's see. This is a USB type B to A. Or USB. Ooh. Dum 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 dum. Shook it in. Dum 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 dum. And this is strange. It did not appear on setup. I need to do this part again. No, Nokia. I'm angry that they did not, do that handshaking thing. I don't know whether they've stopped it. It's not encouraging. But let's set it up anyway. Skip. Let's connect to Wi-Fi. I knew that felt demand. So we have a software update too. So let's. That's very confusing. He said there's update and he said update is updated. Okay. So wait a few minutes to install system software updates. So I'll just skip this thing, Jerry. I just skip that first and update it later. It has face unlock, oh, that's cool. Skip. We're gonna skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. And we're in the phone. So let's take a picture and see if the camera is dope. Remember, this is the cheapest Android phone in the market, so you're not expecting much. Picture is terrible, but what do you expect? Let's see if the color science is nice. Oh my god. So this is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. So this is how the picture looks like. So yeah, for just 90,000 naira, this beautiful device can be yours for just calling. I would recommend this phone for making calls day to day, maybe gifting it to maybe someone that is not really social media savvy, just because it's definitely better than a Nokia Touch, because this is a Nokia and it has touch lights. So let me know, guys, if you'd like to get this device. If you want it, send us a DM or shop on our website at ogabasi.com. Ogabas never disappoints.